Quick tip, going off the high side and going downhill, staked at this side of the post. Gonna see what the drop is. Several different ways you can do this. This is a pretty simple way if you don't have any lumber with you. If you don't have a 2x4 to lay across, just basically go with the grade that you have, and there's, from point to point, there's gonna be a slight difference. It doesn't look like much, but if you square this off, your second clip will be high. If you just go straight across square, every time this makes a little 1/4 inch drop, your clip will be too high. And then most people will like hammer the clip down, and then it folds the bottom of the clip down where it's not supposed to be. So take a bevel square and go ahead and get your bevel. So then when you mark off the high side, I'm doing 4. You go 4 inches, I think 30 and 56. So we're doing a 3 rail. So the first one will be at 4, and then when you measure across, put your bevel over there and mark this side. And you'll have a nice consistent drop on all your rails, so they're consecutive. And also this will let you know that when you go to put these in, they're all going to be racked slightly, and you'll probably want to bevel cut both ends when you put your runners in. Anyway, quick tip for getting a good looking frame job and making sure you get your bevel right.